Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove a background from a picture on CapCut PC. So let's pretend this is a picture because it's the same for videos and pictures. Remove background, and just like auto removal, and it's going to automatically remove your background. This is a pro feature though. If your background is like just blue or green, you can use chroma key, which is free. And here you can adjust the feather and the expansion of the masking. And I know it's not perfect, but yeah, that is pretty much it. You can also do the custom removal one, which you can kind of adjust here. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!